A pesky problem continues to plague power lines across our part of the metro.
Those in charge of keeping the power on say right now they're powerless to stop woodpeckers.
Tom Hochster knows a thing or two about keeping the lights on, but he's in the dark when it comes to one particular creature that wants to build its nests in Connexus Energy poles.
I think for nesting, but I'm not a woodpecker expert, but it seems like that's what makes the most sense because they don't care how old the poles are, if they're new or old, they just like making holes.
Big holes in dozens of poles.
We've got a line down in the Circle Pines area that are affected by woodpeckers. We got them up by St. Cloud, they're everywhere. We probably patch or repair about 60 to 80 poles a year also.
Just because of this?
Just because of the woodpecker issues.
The holes weaken the poles, which ends up costing customers.
Time consuming, it's expensive, it takes a lot of time, and we try to keep the power on when we try to do that, so that's why it's time consuming. We want to keep everyone's electricity on when we get these poles changed.
Mesh doesn't work, clearly. A few years ago, Hochster came across a company in Oregon that makes these decoys, and he thought those might work.
According to the brochure and like everything I've read, that a pileated woodpecker are very territorial. So if you put a woodpecker decoy on the pole, they'll stay away from that pole. So that's what we heard.
But reality is far different.
He is in the mesh, right there.
This lineman shot video of a woodpecker going to town on a pole right across the street from a pole with a decoy on it.
It seems like the poles that they seem to like are the poles that are at the end of the line or on a corner where they're it's a stronger pole, and I don't know if it's the size or what causes them to seem to like those poles, but they do.
All Connexus staff can do is keep trying.
It is part of the business. We have to try to figure it out. But it is aggravating too, especially when we already pre-treat the pole with a screen, and then we come back and find they've beaten through the screen to make a nest, and you just put your hands in your air and I don't get it. But yeah, it's just part of what we have to take care of. There's always going to be woodpeckers, so I don't know what you can do with them.
So we asked Tom, we said, why not ask your co-op members? Maybe some of them have an idea or two about this.
Yeah, and he said if you have an idea, they want to hear about it because they've tried everything they can think of.
Yeah, they're spending a lot of money replacing those poles.